Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Dwood here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my blonde hair. As you guys know, I did cut off my hair completely bald about 2.5 months ago. So I was working with a little afro. I was really ready to bleach my hair and get back to me. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video of me going back from black to blonde. Before we jump into anything, definitely be sure that you guys are subscribed. If you are not, thank you so much. We hit 4,000 subscribers, you guys. What? The goal is 5K before Halloween. So we have about August, September. We have 2 whole months. We have all of September and all of October, because you guys know Halloween is the last day of October. So tell your mama, tell your brother, tell your sister, your niece, your cousin, your auntie, your homegirl, your op, tell them all. All right guys, that is enough rambling. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Alright, so I did see a lot of you guys' suggestions in my previous hair bleaching video, but I truly don't remember what y'all said. And not that I'm in a rush, but I kind of got to get this done. So I'm going to just do what I normally do because I know I'm going to get the right results. So I'll be trying y'all's techniques and tips and tricks in the next bleaching video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so my hair has been growing out for about 2.5 months now, when I last cut it all off. And I've been prepping my hair every day, moisturizing it, moisturizing my scalp, just so that I can be prepared for this bleach, girl. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of pick it out, because as y'all can see, it's definitely giving afro. I'm gonna have to bring the mirror closer because y'all know I can't see. And when I'm combing through this, I'm not scraping my scalp. I'm literally only like tugging on my hair. See, I can see some of the leftover glue residue and stuff, but it should be fine. So I went to the store today and I just picked up the most convenient thing. I'm not even gonna lie. So this stuff is so strong. I already have an in-depth video on how I bleach my hair, so today I'm just kind of bringing y'all along while I do it. It's not going to be, you know, me being too technical or anything like that. I just want to show y'all, and I feel like a lot of people are interested. So I got a lot of hair on my head today, so I think I'm going to do like 2 really huge scoops. I don't know if y'all even saw that. Then I have another developer in my little drawer thing, so I might need that, but I'm pouring. Oh shoot, I haven't done this in so long. I completely forgot I have to base my hair. All right, so I'm taking some Aquaphor and I'm just putting this around my edges really quickly, actually, because I don't want my bleach to start doing what it gotta do. And I don't even have the stuff. I look like somebody from Good Times, child. Can y'all believe this? How I've been walking around? Like, I've really been outside looking like this, but in my defense, I've been wearing a hat. So nobody has really, except like my friends and family, and I'm sure they'd be looking at me like, what this girl got going on? I just kind of put it on my forehead and my ears so that I don't get a burn. I haven't done this in so long. I'm mixing it with a spoon today because, I don't know, I'm feeling a little fancy. There go that smell. There go that smell. And I was trying to grow my hair out because I wanted to try a new barber. It's really a long story behind that, to be honest. But it just fell through and I couldn't find a barber that I trusted. So, my hair just got out of hand. And yeah. So, this is what the bleach is looking like. Hold up. I can't even see y'all. So y'all gonna have to tell me if it's focused. I got my glove here. We're gonna use her. And I'm just about to start applying this. Let me see what time it is. It is 9:21. I'm starting in the middle because I know my hair is a lot thicker there. I use my hand because it's a lot easier for me. Like, I feel like I can control the product better if I use my hand. Y'all, I really look like somebody off of Good Times. See, look, there I go, dropping stuff already. Hold on. All right, let's do this and stop talking so much. Also, I don't think I said it in this video, but I am no professional, y'all. This is just how I do it. I've never gone to a professional to get this done. I just figured it out on my own the whole way through. So, yeah, I can only help but so much. Because I'm finessing my way through. I'm going ahead to do the edges now. I should have cut my hair down a little bit. All right, so I think I got everything for the most part. I got plans, okay? So while this is sitting in my hair, I'm gonna watch the season finale. Well, I think this is the season finale of P-Valley. I've been so busy lately. I just keep missing it. And every day I say, okay, I'm gonna watch it. I never get around to it. So my goal is, while I'm letting this sit in my hair, I'm gonna watch it. Y'all, I'm not a professional, okay? So please don't be in my comments telling me everything that I did wrong. Well, if I do it wrong, please tell me, because I mean, I appreciate it, but don't get mad if I do it wrong. I be seeing some of y'all doing y'all makeup completely wrong. I don't say nothing, okay? It's the internet. Everybody do what work for them. That's all I do, is stay black and mind my business, literally. It's definitely important to wear clothes that you don't give a fuck about, because this is gonna happen. All right, I don't have no shower cap, so I'm using my bag from the $1.25 tree. If you're gonna use a bag like me, make sure you flip the bag inside out so that the printed side is not face down on the bleach, because the color will transfer and dye your hair green. So make sure you're using the side of the bag that doesn't have ink. And I just plop it down. Just like this, and then put my glasses right on top. Fashionable. All right, so it's 9:35. I'm gonna come back around 10:35, see what the color is looking like, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, y'all, so it is now 10:28, so it's been an hour. I didn't even get a chance to watch P-Valley. All I did was clean up my room, my office, and I watched Be The Beat's most recent vlog. I didn't even do what I was saying I was gonna do, but it's okay. Let's see what color we're working with. Very, very yellow. This is gonna be our first process. So I am about to wash this out. I am not gonna use any shampoo. I'm just gonna wash it out really good. And then I'll come back. Oh, that feels so good. It feels so good to be able to touch my scalp. Oh my goodness. There was a time when I actually used to walk out of the house like this, because I did not know no better. All right, so I'm gonna take about this much cocoa butter or shea butter. I'll be mixing up which one is which. And I'm gonna just put this everywhere. So this is where we are tonight. I am gonna go to sleep, watch P-Valley, and I'll see y'all in the morning, and yeah, we'll finish it in the morning. Good morning. I have not done any part of my morning routine. I'm looking crazy. I ain't brushed my teeth yet and washed my face yet, but we about to get it together. First of all, y'all, I got a chance to watch P-Valley. It's crazy. literally crazy, bonkers. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just realized I don't have a shirt on. I sleep naked, y'all. Let me get a shirt. Now, I'm about to do the same thing I did yesterday. Protect my skin and my ears. All right, now let's go ahead and mix up this bleach, baby. I'm gonna do 2 of those, 2 type of scoops like that. Okay, so I'm definitely feeling a little tingle in the back. It's not even a tingle, I feel a burn in the back. Okay, so I think I'm gonna let this sit for an hour and then we're gonna wash it out. Hopefully I can get to where I'm trying to get to from this to, you know, white. Yeah, fingers crossed on that because I don't feel like doing this again. All right, so it's 10:07. At 11:07, I'm gonna wash this out. Actually, I'm gonna come back, show y'all what color we're working with, and then we gonna wash it out. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looked pretty white to me, so we just gonna go ahead and wash this out. Let me look at the top. Yeah, I think we can go ahead and wash this out. Let me put my glasses on, see what we working with. I feel like I should be in a boy band. Whew, I have bleach all over here still. Okay, but this is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I feel like Dragon Ball Z. Like, ah. All right, so this. Demi! Demi! All right, y'all, so I was gonna let my hair dry. Quickly change my mind. I'm about to go in with my purple shampoo. Am I in focus? Cause I don't got my glasses on, I can't see jack. I'm about to go in with my purple shampoo to tone my hair. I know that this is not a toner, but I'd rather use shampoo and get no burn versus using an actual toner and have to process my hair again and it's burning. So anyway, I'm gonna just dump it on there. What time is it though? Cause this stuff, okay, it's 11:30 on the dot. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit for like 7 to 10 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out quick and that'll be that. All right, I'm gonna show y'all when I wash it out. Actually, I'm gonna just show y'all the finished product. All right guys, so this is my finished hair. It could be a little bit brighter, but it's okay because I wasn't really rushing, but I was rushing. So this is what I got. This is my routine. Hopefully you guys learned something, picked up a couple tips and tricks. This is how I do my hair. I'm not a professional. I've just been doing this for like the past 3 years or so, and this is what I found works for me. So that is all I have for you guys today. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed. Drop a comment down below, and of course leave the video a big thumbs up. I will see y'all in the next one.